Just giving you a little freeway footage from Ohio. It just dawned on me, you know, the signs that you see when you enter Ohio say, Ohio, find it here. And I know now what they're talking about when they say, find it here. They mean dead deer. I have seen more dead deer on the side of the road in Ohio than any other state. And that goes for last year too. I remember telling my dad this last year after coming to Ohio. Dead deer on the side of the road everywhere. I mean, I've only driven about, actual driving on the road today, probably 3 hours. Maybe 3.5 hours. And I bet you I've seen 15 dead deer. It's amazing. But I've also seen some nice fall foliage. Not foliage, foliage. I was kind of anticipating that the colors on the trees might be a little ahead of some of the other states I've seen so far. And it has, a little bit. It's not crazy with color yet, but I have seen more of the reddish, yellowish colors. There's a dead deer. I knew I'd see one. Oh man, why is that? I mean, I feel like look, there's going to be a deer darting out here any second now. There's so many dead ones. Oh Lord. So this will be an easy rest of the day. You know, it's my customer. My GPS says I'm a little over 6 hours from my customer, and I don't have enough time on my clock today to get there, especially within their receiving hours. So they've got me with an ETA of 7 a.m. tomorrow. So I'll just try to get as close as I can today, and then hop in there, be there first thing in the morning. Looking forward to a shower. You know, that's one thing about this time of year when it gets cooler, when you're out securing and tarping and all, you don't get so sweaty, you know, and you don't need a shower as badly or as often as you do, like, you know, if you're out in the 95-degree weather doing that sort of thing. So yeah, it's nicer when it gets cooler. All right, well, I guess that's enough road footage for now. More later. All right, boys and girls, just giving you a look at the bridge going across the Ohio River here at Cincinnati, crossing into Kentucky on 471. I-71 is still closed crossing the river, so you have to follow the detour here over 471. Anyway, lots of boats out in the river. Cincinnati's a pretty city. Just giving you a glimpse of Cincinnati traffic. Oh man, it's about 3:30 in the afternoon Eastern time I really expected the traffic to be worse. Knock on wood. That little detour probably cost me, I don't know, probably only about 5 or 6 miles. I'm gonna try to get south of Louisville today if I can, and then shut it down and go the rest of the way in the morning. We'll see how it goes. I'll get back to you, folks. All right, good Thursday morning to you. I've arrived here at my customer in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Just, the way it works is they had us back in. One guy's over there, but this is the area they told us to back into right here to get untarped and unstrapped. So I've done that, and the first guy that was in line is backed into door 79 there. So then this yellow truck goes, and then I go. So I'll have to pull out here and then back into door 79. But I've already gotten untarped, as you can see, and I've got all my straps off except for the front and the rear, just to keep some stability. So just waiting my turn. Weather's nice. There is like a 40% chance of rain in this area today, but it's nice and cool. Feels good. All right, I'll show you more when I can. Okay, everybody, a little update for you. I got unloaded back there at the customer at Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's kind of a slow process. Of course, I was the third truck there when they opened up, and then there was like 3 or 4 more waiting after me. So busy place. Usually getting unloaded with slinkies is a quicker process, but those folks unload inside. So once the guy takes your slinkies off your truck, he sets them to the side, and then after you pull out, then he takes about 15 minutes to go put them away, you know. So I don't know, you know, it's like 45 minutes a truck, seemed like. Anyway, I was there a couple of hours. So they sent me my next load, which is where I'm headed now, to Lebanon, Tennessee. I just got off of I-65 South, right at the Kentucky-Tennessee line, and got on, I think this is Tennessee 109. I still got about 30 miles to go. But it sounds like I'm picking up a coil. That's about all I know. And it goes to Terrell, Texas, which is a good run. Terrell's all the way down near Austin, Texas. Let's see, what's the length of that trip? So from the shipper to the customer, it's 673 miles. It delivers tomorrow. You know, so I'm thinking it's definitely going to be Saturday before I get home this week. Looks like I'm back on a Saturday getting home routine. But anyway, just wanted to give you that update. This is called the Ronnie McDowell Parkway. Some of you older folks will remember Roddy McDowell from some of the old movies. guess he's from here. All right, I'll try to show you something when I get to the shipper. Okay guys, so I've got the product loaded. It's not one coil like my work order said. It's 5 stacks of coils, eye to the sky. So that's what we got. Going to Terrell, Texas. And you got to wear a mask in here, so if you're wondering, that's why I'm wearing a mask. All right, let me get busy securing. All right guys, I didn't get any footage yet of the securing. I had to get out of there. There's a truck behind me. But here's the load, tarped. I was about 3 foot short of being able to get it with one tarp, so I had to use 2 of my 4-foot drop tarps. But there it is. 5 stacks of eye to the sky coils. Sorry about the wind noise. The back makes for a pretty ugly tarp. You can see how much I lacked being able to cover it with one tarp. But there it is.